Yes, let's see the craze of the students just for going abroad. Yes. So, which country would you like to land up and why?
I want to go abroad. I want to go Canada for my further study.
Okay, so why Canada?
Canada is my dream country.
Mhm.
That's why I will go for Canada.
Okay, yes, sir.
So hello guys, I am Vikas from Bengal and I will go to Canada as my sister is living there and I will pursue my further studies in Canada.
Very good. So, do you think your sister is earning handsomely there?
Yes, so she is earning handsomely as she works for a company
Hmm?
and in few months she will get PR there
Okay, so you are going there to study or just
for study, sir.
study?
For
Okay, which study would you pursue there?
So, I have till yet not decided.
Very, very good. So you have not decided yet.
Sir, but sir, B.Tech, mechanical or civil.
B.Tech mechanical or civil. So he doesn't know mechanical or civil. They are the part of B.Tech.
Yes, sir. I am saying sir different streams, but
Very good.
mechanical or civil, sir.
Very good. So
Both are
he
different, sir.
doesn't know much about streams and all, but he is crazy for Canada. Canada. Okay. Yes. So how are you feeling here? So this is in open weather.
Weather is very good. Air is like wind is blowing, mind boggling,
Hmm?
and we are enjoying air sitting.
Mhm.
We are on the top of Halcyon building.
Very good. And there is a tree also on the top. Yes.
The tree is like may root up from the ground.
Mhm.
The wind is such at speed.
Mhm.
So yes,
Very good. So what is the reason you are moving to some another country, not in India?
I am going abroad for my further studies, and I am completing my master's
So do you really think students from India are going to abroad for further studies? Do you think like they study well in India?
For majority of people, it is not like studying. They are doing it for income purpose.
Very good.
But I think my purpose is to go there and study.
Very good. So as this gentleman is having education. Okay. Nice brother. Very good. Very good. Very good. So students are going to abroad for earning heavy bucks, not for studies.
I personally think that students are going not for they are going because they don't get too much opportunities in India. As we know, sir, our politics में ना
Very good. So you are live
in
here.
India, we can't get too many opportunities for us earning handsome money and in our future. So they strongly prefer to go to Canada or some any other countries to make their future bright.
Very good. So what about you?
Hello everyone, I am Aryan. I want to go to Canada for my further studies. I think that in Canada we can materialize our dreams, but in India there is a lot of population, so we do not get chance to prove ourselves.
Very good. So we are having 3 students sitting here like in City Thana, guys. Very good. Very good. So yes. So you are also aspirant of Canada. Okay. So why are you moving to Canada? Because your business is good in India.
Business is good in India, but there is two partners in my business,
Huh?
my father and my brother.
Uh-huh.
So I want to.
You don't want partner. Okay. Don't you hire a killer? Very good. If you don't want partnership, so hire a killer.
I
Okay.
want to establish my business.
You want to
Canada.
establish your business. Okay.
Canada.
So do you love your parents,
That's-
but you don't want your father as a partner? So what is the problem?
that's,
What sort of love it is?
I think the profit is same. There is partner. If there are two partners, the income is same. So I want to earn more.
In dollars. Very good. Yes. So you are having some accounts and all. You just manage. Okay. So how are you feeling right now sitting on the top of the Halcyon?
I'm feeling great, actually, I would say, because the weather is also great, and it's feeling like cold in a feeling of summer. In summer, feeling of cold, it's awesome.
Okay, very good.
We don't want any AC kind of something.
Very good. So natural AC is there.
Natural AC is there.
Okay.
Natural fresh air.
Okay, so if you love this weather, so why are you moving to Canada?
I think in Canada, cold weather is. I think in Canada there is cold weather. In India, it's summer. I think the weather of Canada is good comparing to India.
Very good. So why don't you sleep in your refrigerator? If you want that sort of weather,
It made me sick, maybe. That's why.
so we are having some cold storage, I think, in India.
Yeah.
So if you want to enjoy minus 20-degree temperature, so you should go there, spend your night there.
But actually we can do our work and all kind of stuff that because a natural weather is cannot compare the different one, the cold refrigerators and all. The natural is natural, like you hear the chirping of birds.
Very good. And
Yeah.
people say like on towers and all, so there is nothing like that. Yes. So he is also aspirant of.
Australia, sir.
Okay, I was thinking like, okay, you are moving to Bangladesh.
No, sir. I want to go Australia.
So why Australia?
Because my maternal uncle lives there and he settled in Australia, so that's why I also want to go there, and I also want to settle my business, and I want to earn very heavy bucks. in
Very good.
Australia.
So what problems are you facing in India?
No problem I am facing, but I want to improve my lifestyles. In India, I am not enjoying that much my life, but when I will be part of Australia, I will enjoy more, and I will be stand on my own feet. But in India, I have
So you're also standing on your own feet here.
no, sir. Matlab, I am not earning money right now.
Very good, very good. I
So,
really like
in India,
it.
we are facing problem like there is unemployment because most of the young minds are unemployment nowadays in India because our government are very strict. They only provide jobs to which are like very educated because so that's why I am not that much educated. but-
Very good. So one side your education is not that much worthy and you want job.
Yes, sir. I
So
want
why
job.
don't you update yourself?
Sir, I cannot update myself in India because in India, like people who are very well educated, they can only earn heavy bucks. If we are not well
So
educated,
why don't you be well educated?
Sorry, please could you repeat?
So means you should also enhance your degrees.
No, sir. Like in India, we see that many people have lots of degree, but they did not get any job because of unemployment rate, sir.
So who told you, sir?
I
Without
have
degree,
tried,
without degree, people are ministers and all. They are in cabinet ministry.
But I have tried, sir. That's
In-
why I want to
Quit India.
Yes, I want to quit, sir.
Yes. What about you?
This is Rameshma and I am aspirant of Canada for higher study and earning heavy bucks.
So why heavy bucks?
Because in India we are come from a middle class family, so there is a curiosity.
So
of-
don't you think like in abroad, students they just move there, they go for some labor job, or they somewhere defame the reputation of India?
No, sir. It's earlier than student went there for a labor job, but in present time they have their good job and good lifestyle.
What
there.
sort of lifestyle is there, sir, for students?
They have earning handsomely.
No, earning doesn't matter. If you are earning as a laborer or laborer, okay.
No, sir. They are on good post and they are better in. They are working in malls and all, so they have better lifestyle and better job there.
Very good. This guy is in tension.
No, sir, I'm not intention.
Very good.
Yes.
So pay your attention here.
Yes.
Okay. So why Canada?
Sir, because my father wants to. It's a dream of my father to
Very
see
good.
me flying to Canada, and I'm completing my graduation there. So
I am completed. तो मैं पूरा हो गया. I have
I
completed.
have completed my graduation there. So now for my masters, I want to go to Canada.
Very good.
That's it.
So, who was favorite actress of your father?
Sir, I don't know, but I think so that Hema Malini was.
Hema Malini was there. As it was the dream of your father to go to Canada, he's sending you there. So, would he like you to marry with Hema Malini? Because you are pursuing the dreams of your father.
Yes, sir. If they want, sir.
They want how many fathers?
They want. Sir, if my father wants, that definitely.
You will marry with Hema Malini.
But sir,
She is like your grandmother. Very good, very good. So he has been little kacha, guys. Yes, how are you?
Hi, I'm fine. I'm
Okay.
stupendous.
Very good. So you're also planning to go abroad?
Yes.
Why?
Well, I want to uplift my standard of living and I want to be an independent girl. So that's why
Okay,
I'm
so you
just-
want to be independent. I think you can be independent in India also.
No, sir.
There are many
As-
girls, they are working handsomely,
as
they
per
are
my
earning
family-
handsomely. Yeah.
As per my family, I don't think so that I'm that much capable in India.
So it is your problem. So you need to enhance your capacity.
Yeah, I will enhance my capacity in abroad.
Mhm.
So that's why I'm aspiring.
So why not in India?
Because I think Canada will give me more opportunity and more better standard of living.
Very good. Yes. So your brother is also there.
Yes.
So do you think means you're planning to settle in Canada with family?
Yes.
Very good. So till date, I think your father is in police department. Till date, your father has fulfilled all your requirements and all, and you want to leave that country where you have been born and brought up.
So I think for upcoming generation it would be a better opportunity.
Very good. So it means people are sacrificing for upcoming generation. Very good. Really, really amazing. Yes. How are you?
I'm fine.
So which country would you like to land up and why?
So obviously I'm inspired of New Zealand as I want to settle down with my family members there. And my husband family they are living there, so I want to be with them.
Okay. So your husband family is in Canada.
New Zealand.
New Zealand. So you're a aspirant of New Zealand, not Canada.
Yes.
Okay. So don't you think Canada is much better country than New Zealand?
No, sir. As per my notion, the New Zealand is better than the Canada.
Very good, guys. You all are from Canada, I think. Okay. She's saying New Zealand is much better than Canada. Any contradiction? Any contradiction? Sorry?
They close their gate for Indian or all our countries.
Very good. So they have closed the gates. Okay.
And Canada is facilitating PR in 5.5 band.
Very good. Canada is facilitating. Okay, PR. Okay, on 4 band or 5 band there. Who are right now there in Canada? Okay. So that is good decision of Trudeau or it is the worst decision?
I think for us, it's a, for people like us, it's a good decision by him. Maybe for Canadians, the other people, maybe for them it will be not.
Very good. So see, like these persons are saying, getting PR is the final destination for everyone. That is satisfaction. So don't you think New Zealand gives PR? It is really very tough.
Sir, it is due to the corona only. Like earlier, they was giving PR to the people like very easily as compared to the present time, like the corona time. So they are doing this for their own citizens. So I don't think so that it is a bad decision of theirs.
Okay, very good.
Hi.
So why are you away from the crowd?
Actually, I'm not away. I'm just enjoying myself here. Like it was quite congested over there, so I'm just sitting free.
Okay, so when did you realize your hand movements are more than your language?
I realized this thing when I joined this institute. When when I was exposed in front of people to speak, and then I realized that my hand movements are more than.
Okay, so are you aspirant of particular course or you just want visa only?
No, I'm aspiring to a particular course. Like I want to pursue astrophysics, and I want to go to America, the USA, for this particular course.
So what is astrophysics?
It's the branch of physics which is related to study of physics related to astral objects, objects in the sky and other celestial bodies. So yeah, I want to pursue that.
So what will be the benefit of it?
It would provide me satisfaction. Like I'm having dreams of creating some, undiscovered things and some great things. So yeah, for that particular thing, I am interested in that.
Very good. So how would you benefit India?
I would definitely, if I would achieve something great, my country would definitely be proud of me.